Happy morning, cuties. Have a beautiful day. Class 2nd Standard, Subject General Knowledge. Dear cuties, our last class we learnt seasons. Now I ask questions from seasons. Are you ready to answer my questions? Okay, my first question. Which season is called Season of Flowers? Yes, your answer is correct. Spring season is called Season of Flowers. Next question. We wear dash clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. In this class, we are going to learn about 7 wonders of the world. First one, Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is an ancient wall in China and it is the longest wall in the world. It was built by Chinese Empire to protect itself from enemy attacks. Second one is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located in our country, India. It was built by Mughal King Shah Jahan for his wife Mumtaz. It is one of the most beautiful building in our country. It is an example of Mughal architecture. The meaning of Taj Mahal is crown of palaces. And it is one of the famous tourist place in India. Third one is Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is a wonderful city that is located in Peru. It was built by Inca Empire. Fourth one is the Roman Colosseum. Colosseum means stadium. The Roman Colosseum was built by Vespasian and it is located in Rome in the country of Italy. Fifth one, Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is a large pre-Columbian city built by the Maya people and it is located in Mexico. It is famous for Mayan pyramid. Sixth one, Christ the Redeemer statue. It is the largest statue of Jesus Christ. It is located in Rio de Janeiro in the country of Brazil. Seventh one, Petra. Petra is located in Jordan. It was built by Nabateans. Okay dears, once again I repeat the 7 wonders of the world. Listen carefully. First one, Great Wall of China. Taj Mahal. Machu Picchu. The Roman Colosseum. Chichen Itza. Christ the Redeemer statue. Petra. Okay dears, now we are going to do one exercise. Get ready with your notebook and pencil. Match the following wonders with countries. In your left hand side, wonders are Taj Mahal, Chichen Itza, the Great Wall, Machu Picchu and the Roman Colosseum. Your right hand side, countries are Italy, China, Peru, Mexico and India. Now check your answer. Taj Mahal is located in India. Chichen Itza is located in Mexico. The Great Wall is located in China. Machu Picchu is located in Peru. And the Roman Colosseum is located in the country of Italy. Homework for you. Read and write the 7 wonders of the world. Do your homework, dears. Thank you all.